Welcome back. In this video, I will guide you how to pin a Chrome tab to the taskbar. Pinning a specific website or Google Chrome tab directly to your taskbar is a great way to access your favorite page like standalone apps. So first you need to open the Google Chrome and navigate to the specific tab or the website you want to pin. For example, I have opened the Google and you can open any website. And now click on the three vertical dots in the top right corner of the Google window and hover your mouse to the save and share and click on the create shortcut. So a pop-up will appear. So name your shortcut. For example, whatever you want. Take it Google and click create. The shortcut will automatically appear on your the window desktop and right click the new desktop icon and select the pin to taskbar. And here you can see that pin has been added. Now you can click on that and you will be directly to the your favorite website. So it is pinned to your the taskbar. You can safely delete the shortcut icon from your taskbar to keep it clean. The taskbar icon will stick work perfectly. If you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.